So you just didn't know fucking anything about real estate, and you were just buying deals to buy deals, and you were just buying a bunch of crazy deals that didn't cash flow.
So my first house I bought, I lived in San Ramon, California, which is a very expensive area. I was like 21 years old, and I found this through a friend. This guy was selling this duet. And it's an attached duplex, but you own one side of it. And I couldn't qualify for the loan, but he said, "Hey, I'll lease option it to you." I said, "Great." We set the price up front of 325. This was in 2000, whatever it was, early 2000s. Um, and so when the year went up, and then I lived in the master bedroom and I rented two of the other rooms out to my friends. So I house hacked before I knew what house hacking was. And then when the year came up, the property appraised at 375. I built in 50 grand of equity. I ended up buying, closing on. We treated it. There was a lender that would treat it almost as a refinance. So I did that. I closed on it, owned the property, and then I moved to Tahoe and sold the property to my brother, actually. But I look back at all these homes I've owned over the years, and the biggest mistake I did was I got rid of houses. Right, I flipped houses, and I didn't keep as many of as I should have in the Bay Area. That house today that I bought for 325 is worth $1.3 million, for an example, right? So like, why didn't I keep that, right? I didn't have the magnitude. So when I got this bright idea to go in, because money was so easy back then, you don't even understand. I could get 100% financing on non-owner occupied properties, right? And so all you needed is a heartbeat and a 660 credit score, and you could qualify. So I didn't know what I didn't know, and I was banking on appreciation. It was like a frenzy. All of us were in this like frenzy. We thought that, prices would never, they would always go up 100 grand a year. We just didn't have any, we didn't have these meetups that we have, like your meetup and my meetup. And like, we didn't understand the basic concepts of, debt service coverage ratio and cash flow. And we're just like, hey, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to put a renter in. And even if it's negative, a couple $100 a month, no big deal. It's going to appreciate 100 grand a year. I didn't know. And I was stupid, because I didn't educate myself. I mean, this was like kind of before YouTube was big, right? I don't even think YouTube
Yeah.
was out. And so we didn't have the educational platforms we have today.